Welcome guys to Techeonics. My name is Gaurav and today in this video I am going to show you how you can add a LED onto your 3D printer nozzle. So let's get started. Firstly, we need any 12 volt LED, then a step down converter if the printer have 24 volts power supply, then a U-shaped connector, then a switch. If the printer you have having a 24 volt of power supply, then we need to use this step down converter to step down the voltage up to 12 volt to connect our 12 volt LEDs. Otherwise, if your printer having a 12 volt of power supply, then we no need to use any step down converter. We can directly connect our 12 volt LEDs to the power supply. So that's how you can install the LED to a 3D printer nozzle. Having a LED on a 3D printer nozzle is quite useful in many cases. So hope you guys like this video. If you have any question, then do let me know in the comment section below. Like and share the video and do not forget to subscribe to Techeonics for more awesome tech video. See you next one.